Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Want to give you a huge shout out to Otao for not just sending me one, but two tempered glass screen protectors for my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. We're going to open both of these packages. I'm going to install both. So we're going to do one, then take it off, then do the other. And again, I just want to thank Otao for their support. And I know you're probably thinking, what? You're going to install one and then take it off and waste it? Well, that's what they asked me to do, and they're actually going to send me another one to replace the one that I'm going to take off to put on the second one. So they'll replace that one for me, and I appreciate that as well. So this is just another tempered glass screen protector to choose from many that are out there. And they should be case friendly, but disclaimer, not all screen protectors are compatible with all cases. There's always the chance that you may run into that. But if you do, just make sure that you get in touch with Otao and let them know what issues you're having. They will take care of you. But we're going to go ahead and do the install on one of these to begin with. And then we'll get to the second one as well. So let's get this thing going. All right, we are going to install the Otao tempered glass screen protector. Now this first one is full coverage. Oops, bumpy cam. It's going to cover your full display. And then we're going to see how a case does with it as well. Now I could have done this in fast motion, but I really want you to see how this is going to go on. Got your microcloth here. Make sure we get everything. Okay. Then I think we'll do the second screen protector in fast motion. This is just so you get the idea, the gist of how we're going to put this tempered glass screen protector on. Okay, you can use a sticker to remove any dust particles. And you're only going to have adhesive around the edges, okay? Not going to be on the inside of the tempered glass screen protector. It's going to just be on the edges, top, bottom, from side to side. Okay, and then we're going to look at the S9 Plus carefully, make sure that the top of the device is here, and you actually have this little bracket here to help you install. And see if I get that to focus. Tap. No, it's not going to focus. Anyway, it says up right here, and this is the bottom. So we're going to place that over the S9 Plus, and then we're going to remove that, and okay, just like that. So basically I slid in the top of the screen protector in this way, and it wasn't going down here, so you have to actually lift and pull away. Let me get this over here. So as this was on there, I slid it in. The screen protector was sitting on top of a little lip here, so I had to pull this up, push back, and allow this part right here to fall down into place. And then what you need to do is make sure that you press firmly on the adhesive from top to side to bottom to side, and however you want to do it. Okay. And there you go. That looks really, really good. We're going to turn on. Well, you have that dot matrix on this screen protector. We're just going to see, as far as the functionality, as far the touch response with the display with this Otao screen protector, if it's going to function. Okay. Both these tempered glass screen protectors from Otao, $13.99. Okay, on both. You can see glass screen protector, full screen coverage. That's the one that I just did. And the next one says actually case friendly. So for $13.99, and we want to just make sure that the touch response on the display is working fine. And just a little bit of stick, but not too much. But yeah, overall working really, really well. Pull down, go into settings, scroll. Let's go into my Google page here. Okay, so yeah, everything working just fine. We're going to check out this case that I got from Moco. I'll leave the links for all of this down below in the video. It's a clear case, got some bumpers here. We just want to make sure that this is going to work with this case. Even though it didn't say case friendly. Ooh, pretty. Look at that. All right. It's a nice looking case. Okay. Man, how many times am I going to hit? So there's a little bit of gap there, which is nice. So the case is not going to, let me go ahead and put this wide angle. Yeah, there's a little bit of gap there, a little bit of play. So the case from Moco is not going to prohibit this screen protector from doing its job as far as the adhesive sticking to the display. That is awesome. So there's a case-friendly tempered glass screen protector from Otao. Even though they didn't describe it as case-friendly, the second one we're going to put on is case-friendly. So that looking really good. The Moco case, I'll leave the link down below in the description. Under $10, $13.99 for both the screen protectors. Now we're going to do the second tempered glass screen protector. We're going to do that in fast motion now that you got the gist of what's going on here. Everything looking great. Let's take a look around the device, the S9 Plus. No coverage up top there where the speaker, earpiece, sensors, and camera are located. The full coverage screen protector, you can see, has the cutouts for all those areas. I really like that. I like everything protected. That way I don't get any hairline scratches up on that top area, but that's just me. A lot of you may not worry about that, and some of you aren't even going to put on a screen protector. So, but I would always suggest that you have some sort of protection, especially on a device like this. Wow. I put them on any device I bring in, whether they're $50 to $1,000. It doesn't matter. Protection for the money that I work hard for when it comes to these smartphones that I bring in and review and use myself. Yeah, it's totally worth me spending some money to protect my devices. A little play, a little gap. You can see that, which is perfect, just perfect to allow this Moco case to work with it. And remember, I said earlier in the video, disclaimer, not every protector is going to work with every case. Not every case is going to work with every protector, screen protector. But for the most part, I've never had issues with my screen protectors and the cases that I bring in. But you may run into that. But with this specific Otao screen protector and the Moco case working together very nicely, the other protector was doing great all day yesterday after I did the install. I used it all day and didn't even realize I had it on there. It was the functionality, the touch response was perfect. And now we're going to be using this one and taking it out today to make sure everything's functioning just right. Okay, so everything working fluidly right now, which is really nice. Making sure everything's working just fine. YouTube, videos, and my unboxing. If you haven't checked out the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus here on my Project 13, please go watch that and support this channel. Support Otao tempered glass screen protectors, $13.99. Right now, I can say this is a win. I know that you can spend more money for other tempered glass screen protectors or liquid screen protectors or regular screen protectors for that matter, and you may get a better product. But for the price point of what you're paying here, in my opinion, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. But with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part. I appreciate it. Any questions, please leave that down in the comment sections. And did I say sections? Section. And I'll get back to you in a timely fashion. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part. Please share this video. And again, shout out to Otao for sending me these tempered glass screen protectors to review. Peace. I'm out.